You have been assigned a brand new project. During the kickoff meeting with your team, you learn the project facts. Enron is being investigated by the SEC for securities fraud. Employee Vincent Kaminsky raised objections to Enron's financial practices, and he is thought to have sent copies of key documents to his personal AOL account. Based on the data size, the team discusses a traditional review where all project documents are reviewed and tagged responsive or not responsive. You immediately suggest a prioritized approach and explain how using the known case information to organize and batch documents should help the team identify relevant documents earlier in the review. The All Documents universe is used to organize document sets for batching when all documents will be handled similarly for review. As a first step, you need to verify the universe is fully populated, so no documents are inadvertently excluded during the batching process. The total document count of the project is 7,161 documents. Use the Review Workflows page to verify the universe contains the same number of documents. The All Documents universe is selected, and the Scope and Samples area shows the document count for the universe. The document count does indeed match the project document total. If the document counts did not match, you would update the universe by clicking the Scope and Samples link and clicking the Update Scope button before continuing your work. The next step is to isolate a priority set of documents to be batched in the results list. Based on the case background, you open the All Recipient Domains filter located under the Communication Smart Filter group. Right near the top is AOL.com. Select that value and apply the filter. Next, use the Custodian Filter located under the Storage Properties group to narrow the document set down to data obtained from Vincent Kaminsky. To narrow the set further, use the Sender Address filter to select Kaminsky's email and apply the filter. Now pull in families. Within just a couple of minutes, you narrow down the project data population to 960 potentially relevant documents. To batch these documents, switch the tagging panel to the Review Workflow panel. In the Review Workflow panel, click the responsive field value. And on the Add to Workflow fly-in, you'll batch all of the isolated documents, knowing the batching template will automatically exclude any documents that might have been batched as part of the prior search set. Input a descriptive name, leave the first pass review complete review state, and the schedule set to 1 time. The first pass review batching template is selected by default. Click the Add to Workflow button. Review batches are now ready for the review team. You can continue to conduct searches to prioritize additional batches of documents for review.